All right, I am here with David Azizi from the law offices of David Azizi, and in the past, and earlier in 2014 and 2013, we had discussed dog bites and completed some videos on dog bite situations, but we're going to go ahead and reiterate that for 2015, that not too much has changed, but there are still situations in which someone may be attacked by a dog or a vicious animal, and that could cause major injuries. So David, explain some situations that you've seen and even the potential for not being bitten by a dog but still getting injured.
Yeah, the rule of law is that if you are injured as a result of an animal that comes out or breaks loose, or they're out in the public and they end up attacking you, a lot of people are under the impression that, well, if I didn't get bitten by the dog, then I don't have a claim because the dog didn't bite me, because it's not a dog bite. But the argument is it doesn't matter, because if you have an animal and that animal does something in terms of jumping on you, causing you to fall down and injure yourself, well, then the owner is responsible, because the owner particularly wasn't holding on to the dog, especially if you're out in the public. Your dog, most cities have laws where you have to have your dog on a leash. So I've seen people sometimes like, I just walk with my dog without a leash and let him be a dog. You know, dogs want to be dogs and run around loose without a leash. And if that dog ends up jumping on you, tripping you in some way, causing you to injure yourself in a negligent manner, then you do have a claim and you could pursue it. There are also some limited rules with regards to the owner of the dog, as to their responsibility, and sometimes as to whether the landlord of a property is responsible, or somebody who's a keeper of a dog. For example, somebody leaves and goes and leaves the dog with this person to do a dog watch, and this person doesn't put the dog on a leash. Is that person responsible? So yes, in that scenario they are. But again, it's very specific fact, and it's best you contact a lawyer such as myself, and I'll be able to explain the whole process and know how we can go against the particular, either the keeper, the landlord, or the owner of the dog, in order to establish liability.
Absolutely. And if you have any questions as it relates to a dog bite injury or any type of animal attack, please feel free to contact the law offices of David Azizi. You will see the phone number both above and below in the information of the YouTube video. Thank you for your time, David.
All right, thank you.